All right, got your last 7 trades. Quick summary. 4 wins and 3 losses, with your best one being a GBP AUD short that netted about $155.68 back in January.
Okay, guys, so I've seen people looking for the perfect trading journal. They can be able to journal without wasting too much time, able to even analyze that trade after they finish journaling. I'm going to be talking about this new journal I made, save so many hours per week. We're going to be journaling the trade with Claude. We're going to be analyzing the trade, with Claude. Okay, now, so as you guys can see right here now, I am on Claude. And as you can see right here, I'm on a free plan now. So the trade is GBP USD. And as you can see on TradingView, we're on the 4-hour chart. And then, we're going to be journaling this trade here. And then what I'll just do very, very simply is I'll just click on the buy tool that I took, and then I'll just screenshot every single thing like this, exactly as I'm doing it right now. I'm going to screenshot it, and then you're done. And then what you need to do is head back to Claude and then paste that screen. And then now all you just have to do is simply put in the information that is not in this screenshot. Like now there's going to be the profit and loss of the particular trade. There's going to be the lot size you took on. There's also going to be some other things like your emotions while you were entering the trade, all those other things. Oh, and it's very, very simple. All you just have to do is come to down here to this Claude area. All you just have to do is click that microphone button, and then you can just speak into the mic and then put all those information right there. Put down all your Confluences, what you saw, that made you take that particular trade. I already have mine written down already. So I'll just copy all this right here and then come back to Claude and then paste it. And then let's click send and see what happens. Okay, so now it will start working. Claude has just logged my entire trade, GBP USD derivative account. It has logged every single thing, into the journal for me. It's already done. And this is so good because it has saved me hours and hours of time every single week, trying to journal. So now let's go to the app and check what it did. Okay, so now we need to refresh every single thing. So as you can see right here, the trade has just been logged into the journal. Let's click on GBP USD and see what it did. As you can see, put the symbol, the buyers were long, the account was there, the session was London, yet because 10 a.m. has London session. The entry, the exit is correct. The entry price, the take profits, as you can see, this is the entry price 1.35320. Entry price 1.3532. Still the same thing. And then take profit, stop loss, every single thing here is right. And the remaining thing is this chart screenshots, which you can just go to TradingView. And let's say I want to start from the 15 minutes time frame, right? And all I just have to do is, and then as you can see, I can upload a new screenshot, and now just click save trade, and then this trade will save. I've shown you how to journal, a trade with Claude. Now we're going to analyze that. What I'm telling you to do is now read the 15-minute chart screenshots, in the journal. And I would have told you to do more, but I did not add a lot of screenshots, and there's not a lot of things here. So as you can see right here, guys, you can see the screenshots already. This is the 15-minute screenshots. As you can see right here, this is the 15-minute time frame screenshots. Claude was able to read the screenshots, pull up the screenshot, and then read it, and then give me a detailed analysis. Exactly. So as you can see, it was able to read the image and then even know that, okay, this is supposed to be on the 4-hour placeholder, because this is a 4-hour this is the 4-hour screenshots. and I dropped it on the 15 minutes placeholder. So it's meant to be somewhere right here. Claude was able to know that, and it was able to build what is on the chart, and then it gave me this analysis just now. And as you can see right here, let's say I did this for like 50, 100 trades. Claude can read this entire journal and then, you know, and then, bring me every single thing I need. Claude can read this entire journal and, bring me every single information I need right here. Let's even go further into this. So basically what I'm doing here is I said use Claude Visualize. I want to see the entire trade analysis, like HTML, but inside Claude here. So let's see what it's okay, guys. So as you can see right here now, it brought every single thing out like I wanted it to be. All the stats like I wanted it to look like. As you can see, the PNL, every single thing, all the analysis, he brought it out. This was my stop loss, my entry, my take profits, and then bullish trend, area of interest. This was my this is just me using Claude, to help me journal and analyze my entire trade. If you want to see how I did everything and you want to get the same results for yourself, be able to use Claude to journal your trade, all you need to do first is go and get Ecosystem Journal. You get it in the link in the description box below. I will drop a link that's with all the files and all the assets and all the instructions that you need to, go through. Like it's like an entire guide, to install the MCP server for yourself. So that's it for today's video, guys.